Good morning, y'all. It is Saturday on a very, very rainy March day, and it is a little bit before 7, but I'm awake because today is the day we go to Joplin for this part of Becoming Blanche. Yes, today I go to Joplin, Missouri and stay overnight in the Bonnie and Clyde garage apartment. I'm going to be hitting the road momentarily. Got my Red Bull. First stop is going to be Phillipsburg, Missouri. Sorry, that was my GPS. I'll attach it back to my window in a second, but we'll be stopping there to see the I Love Lucy car. We'll be heading to Gailey's, stopping in Gailey's in Springfield for brunch with friends, and then we'll get on down to Joplin. And what am I going to listen to on the way there? Well, I'm going to listen to many things probably, but especially some Bonnie and Clyde, because I mean, When I Drive is like my ultimate road trip song, so how can I not? So, see you in Phillipsburg. We are here in Phillipsburg, Missouri, the world's largest gift store. Inside sits I Love Lucy Cadillac that they all travel to California in. It's not open just yet. So, but I did leave very early this morning, so I'm gonna take a few moments to take care of some things I didn't take care of this morning, like, you know, flossing and taking my meds. So we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna go inside. Inside, I haven't found the car yet, but I have found many Lucy and Wizard of Oz related items. Are you a good witch or a bad witch? Kind of, like, not gonna lie, y'all, they have everything here. Probably could have asked up front where the car is, but I'm kind of enjoying just walking around. Okay. Got your James Dean and your Marilyn Monroe, of course. Walk of Fame, walk this way, Hollywood Boulevard. The main attraction at the picture show, like Marilyn Monroe. You know that if, you know, Bonnie Parker had been alive same time as Marilyn Monroe, that's who she would have idolized. Other than Clara Bow would have been Marilyn Monroe. I mean, you just know it. Okay, so we've got the Scuba Gang. Of course, Muppets. Ooh! I bumped into some wind chimes. Okay. Also, they have like a really banging soundtrack playing in the store, not gonna lie. And look at all of this Wizard of Oz crap! Oh my gosh! You know, speaking of who they would idolize, I feel like Clyde probably liked John Wayne movies. Well, I mean, sometimes he was the bad guy, so sometimes he was the lawman, so might have a love-hate relationship with John Wayne. I don't know. And here we have it, folks. It's the I Love Lucy Cadillac. California, here I come, right back where I started from. California, here I come. Hey y'all, we're in front of the I Love Lucy car. It's always my favorite TV show growing up. This is a super exciting moment for me. Lucy, you got some splaining to do. And all you can see, I'll take pictures as well. But they've got a little map up there showing the trajectory they would have taken from New York to California. I'll be taking some pictures as well, so you can see it a little bit better. But super cool. How freaking cool is that? California, here I come. Oh, hey, look, it's Blanche. Oh. Well, wrong Blanche. Deb, I'm more of a Rose anyway. Hey y'all, we are live with you at Gailey's Breakfast Cafe.
Yes, we are.
We're in Springfield, Momai, where I went to college. I'm here with two of my best friends from college. We've got Tully Beard and Asher Tillman.
Hey.
So glad I was able to meet up with these guys on route to Springfield.
Yes.
Y'all, I'm so glad and Tully has toast.
Yes.
Toast with Tully!
Toast with Tully.
I'm so glad you guys were able to join me today.
Yes.
Me too, it was an honor.
Absolutely. My heart and my stomach are both full. There we go.
That's how you know you had a good time. So I'll check in with you and Joplin. Hey everyone, we have made it to Joplin. We are at the Joplin Museum Complex, specifically Joplin History Museum. My official check-in to my Airbnb is not until 3 o'clock. So, make a pit stop. Come here before, but there are some Bonnie and Clyde artifacts on display here, so I thought may as well revisit them while I'm here. Let's go on in. Oh hey. There they are. There's where I'm gonna be staying. Those are the famous pictures of Bonnie and Clyde that were of course found on that undeveloped roll of film in the Joplin apartment. The neighbors called cops on them because they thought they were bootleggers. Not quite. And here we have artifacts from the Joplin shootout. Place I'm going to be visiting. Some of Clyde's classifications for his wanted poster. Clyde Champion Barrow. That's what he went by. His real name was Clyde Chestnut Barrow. His descriptions, including some of his tattoos and his height. This, of course, Bonnie's picture. These were more photos of them that were on that undeveloped roll of film left in Joplin. So when these pictures went into the Joplin Globe, they became famous. Now this door was a part of the apartment complex where I'm going to be staying. It was and it's full of bullet holes from battle. Has been removed. It's one of the original wanted posters. This is the original posting from the Joplin Globe. Saturday, April 15th, 1933. Murder. Here we have, it's the layout of where I'm going to be staying. Some of the paperwork nominating the apartment for the, we have Bonnie and Clyde apartment nomination listing for the National Register of Historic Places. More from the Joplin Globe. Desperados killed 2 officers here. Jewelry. Necklaces recovered by police from an apartment at 34th and Oak Ridge site of Barrow Gang shootout. It's unclear whether or not these belong to Blanche or Bonnie. Of course, that infamous photo of Bonnie with her stogie. So we've got a little on the trail of Bonnie and Clyde then and now. Crazy to be back here. I'm gonna head over to the apartment momentarily. Gosh. I'm being excited. I've been looking forward to this, but I think also just the gravity of what happened and how truly tortured and messed up the lives of everybody who was involved became after Joplin, I think, is kind of starting to hit me. But check in with you soon. You guys, we are here. It's where I'm staying. It's right up there. Historic landmark. With cars going by me. Before we go any further, I do want to take a moment to acknowledge the 2 policemen that the Barrow Gang killed. Would have been right out here. So no matter how justified they thought they were, no matter what else, what other circumstances happened, 2 people died. Ultimately, justice was served. History happened here. I'll take you guys inside. Little tour. I've checked in a little bit ago and I'm honestly still in shock. Shall we? Okay. It's very welcoming. Of course, there's Beulah, my Jeep. That would be the door to the garage. It's bolted. Can't access that. Stairs leading up. Come in. Right, and we have, so recent host has given us a lot of homey, friendly decor for our stay, but also a lot of fun period-specific items like this, and of course, dead or alive. Come on in. So here we are. This is the apartment. Can't believe I'm in space. I'm genuinely in shock. Like, I'm inhabiting this place, but that the Barrow Gang was, or Blanche was. It's pretty surreal. Not gonna lie. I'll give you a little tour. Here's the kitchen area. Now, I don't know, I know at least some of the flooring, I know at least this wood flooring is original. I'll get to more of that in a minute. See, a few things have been updated. Now, where you see the shelving unit, there used to be a door here. Now that was the door in the Museum Joplin complex. See, it's decorated with and furnished with some little items, you know, suggest what it might have looked like at the time. You know, suggestions of the period appropriate items. And you'll notice that there's windows all over these apartments, which was something the Barrow Gang loved, so that they could see anybody who was coming from ways away. It's decorated with a lot of, you know, Route 66 items, since we are right along the historic Route 66. And of course, these little items, of course, from just giving it the vintage feel. Of course, I love the newspaper wallpapering as well. But now it's so well furnished, and it's so many homey little pleasant touches. And can we just talk about how well stocked everything is? Like, we've got a coffee maker, hand sanitizer, very important right now. Toaster, got this little sign. So that's, and of course my water, because I don't know if you can hear, but I'm suffering from some allergies right now, so. And then we got this little note for us for all these local places to go to. Super helpful. Wonderful, wonderful. And for Saundra's listing, local magazine, this little listing as well. Notes, and you'll see in the fridge, a lot of people left notes in the fridge. I will be doing so later. I might even see about sending a program or something from my production of Bonnie and Clyde. Yeah, I've got all kinds of little people who've left notes. Thanking her. I just love all of these homey little touches. Yeah, as it gets, it's dark outside now. I've been here for a little bit. I was doing the little bed box. I just finished doing my live stream. Did that. Did the introduction of the video while I was waiting for my computer to load because it was being stupid earlier. So hence why it's now very, very dark. And I took a nap after just kind of initially exploring and taking it in. Your girl needed a nap. So that's what I did. But moving on, back to the living room. It's back in the living room. She's left a copy of Blanche's memoir. Got open to the Joplin page. Of course, I was reading a little bit of it from live stream. Hello. Route 66 marker. Said all so well furnished and just so vintage. Little license plates. So there's just so many nice little, and then this is the living room area where where they would have done their jigsaw puzzles. Like you thought Blanche did a lot. They did a lot of jigsaw puzzles to pass the time, and played cards and cleaned their guns. We have a guest book for people who've left. I'm definitely going to be leaving one as well. Little bullet casings. Not sure what this piece of wood is from. I'll have to ask her about that. This, of course, is the historic Reddings Mill Bridge, which we know that the Barrow Gang did drive over. Maison Blanche, which I believe could maybe translate as House of Blanche. I like that. Also, how cute is that? Like, there's just so many cute little touches. I love all of this so much. Down here we've got, of course, the Faye Dunaway I'm not particularly fond of this version of Bonnie and Clyde, but there you go. And you know, the big thing that Blanche did to pass the time while she was here, she played a lot of cards, did a lot of puzzles. So that's, I may just have, I'm not big into puzzles, but I may just have, but she played a lot of solitaire while she was here, so I may just have to do that. But that, no, she really did think of everything. Cool little spot in this area over here. I don't know how much light we have. I may come back in the morning, get some light, but we do have an antique radio, which I think actually works. It works. Got some more books. I think I'll probably come back whenever we can. But apparently this is where they stored their guns. And over here we have some knife marks on the floor, which would have been left by their gang member W.D. Jones, who does not make an appearance in the musical. But yeah, that would have been, what a hoodlum. But yes, this is original. I believe there's also a C carved in the ground as in C for Clyde, I believe. No. Oh, here we C. Probably C for Clyde. As you could, but yeah, it's so well furnished and well stocked. So if you're needing a place to stay, you're definitely going to get your money's worth. So we're heading into the some more vintage decorations. This is the main bedroom. This is where Bonnie and Clyde would have slept. I took a nap earlier. Brought my script with me to rehearse and work on my lines while I'm here, and in hopes that, you know, being in this space will inspire me. Keep stashing my things in here. Also, how cute is this little Route 66 pump? How freaking cute. But yeah, this is where Bonnie and Clyde would have slept. This main bedroom. Excuse me, I am currently suffering from allergies, so I'm sorry about that. Then, this little bathroom. Here we have the bathroom. I believe the flooring is original. This lighting fixture, it's not functional, but it is original. And no, I'm kidding. This is the original tub. This is the original cast iron tub. Now the shower head was added later. Of course, they've added it with new modern plumbing, but like that is all original. So it's pretty, but you know, just look how well it's all maintained, and there's all this kind of complimentary soap and everything. It's just, oh gosh, I just feel so at home and so comfy here. And this for me is the Grand Fromage. This is where Buck and Blanche slept. Honestly, that lounge chair is so comfortable. I'm tempted to sleep in here. Sweet little vanity. How cute is this? Like, what? Little... Oh, I accidentally knocked this down earlier, but if you know the musical Bonnie and Clyde, you'll know I look good in hats. I got a hat face. Oh. Yep, there's my car, there's my Jeep, there's Beulah. We have a little reading table. Got a book, coffee table book. It's pictures from the Joplin Globe, where of course the famous photographs of Bonnie and Clyde were first published. And the original story. And check this out, it's like a little vintage letter opener and glasses and compass. With some more articles, of course, including the Des Moines Tribute with story of Blanche's capture. So they've really thought of everything. I just love all of this. I legitimately cannot believe I'm here. What? What? I'm in Blanche's room. I'm gonna rehearse, run through my songs for a little bit. It's not gonna sound fantastic because of allergies. For now, I'm not gonna include any of the footage of me actually rehearsing my music, just because I don't want to give anything away for the show, but we may post it on the vlog later after the show's closed. Well, I have officially lost at solitaire, but so be it. It's what Blanche did while she was here. Shout out to my roommate for these Star Wars socks. But I've been listening to and watching other productions of clips of Bonnie and Clyde while I've been playing solitaire in the Barrow Gang's living room. Yeah, I'm leaving in the morning because I gotta yeet myself back to Jefferson City for a Vita rehearsal. First read through, sing through for a Vita. Ain't no rest for the neurotic theater kid. So, I'm going to bed momentarily. Still can't believe I'm here. Hey y'all, it's morning. It's light now, so I can show you the area I couldn't show you yesterday because I didn't have enough light. But yes, this is the cabinet where they would have kept their guns. And right up there, it's a bullet hole. It's time for me to check out. Take a couple. I'm gonna do one final sweep. Make sure got everything. Then I'll be on my merry way. Looking good. Nothing in the cabinets. Nothing in the closet. Okay. Those are my keys. Don't think I left anything in the fridge, but I think we're good. Ooh, shut that. So yes, take a few final pictures outside. I think I got all the lights out. So, it's been an incredible experience. Can't believe I got to do this, that I was here. Leaving, thankfully in much better shape and in much better conditions than the Barrow Gang did back in 1933. Moved my car a little bit for sake of my pictures. Okay. So, we're heading on out then. As always, thank you for watching Memoirs of a Theater Kid.